Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me in searching for the 9 must-try foods in Hanoi, Vietnam. Get ready as this video will be full of mouth-watering food choices. So let's get it on! Bún chả. This iconic Vietnamese dish features succulent grilled pork served with vermicelli noodles, fresh herbs, and a dipping sauce that tantalizes the taste buds. As the pork sizzles on the grill, its smoky aroma fills the air, drawing its hungry passersby. The harmony of flavors, sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, creates a symphony in every bite. Bún chả isn't just a meal. It's a cultural experience, a culinary journey through the vibrant streets of Vietnam. Mixed beef and seafood soup. In this tantalizing dish, tender slices of beef mingle with succulent seafood in a fragrant broth infused with lemongrass, ginger, and aromatic spices. As the broth gently bubbles, it releases a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate, creating a harmony of savory and umami notes. Each spoonful is a revelation, a journey through the rich culinary traditions of Vietnam. Deep-fried pork and duck. In this mouth-watering dish, succulent cuts of pork and tender duck are coated in a crispy golden batter, then fried to perfection as they emerge from the bubbling oil, promising a symphony of flavors with every bite, crispy on the outside, yet tender and juicy on the inside. Each piece of meat is a testament to the artistry of Vietnamese cooking. Hello! Guys, we're gonna buy banh mi.
What do you say?
We're gonna buy banh mi.
Yeah.
This iconic Vietnamese sandwich is a symphony of flavors and textures, featuring a crispy bread filled with an array of tantalizing ingredients. Imagine layers of savory grilled meats, velvety pate, crunchy pickled vegetables, and fragrant herbs, all together in perfect harmony. Each bite is a revelation. A burst of tangy, spicy, and umami flavors that dance on your palate. Banh mi isn't just a sandwich, it's a culinary journey through the rich tapestry of Vietnamese cuisine. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack, on the go, or savored leisurely at a street side stall, banh mi captures the essence of Vietnamese culture in every bite. So embrace the spirit of adventure and immerse yourself in the delicious world of banh mi. Marinated meats to flavorful seafood skewers. Vietnamese barbecues offer a feast for the senses. Imagine tender beef wrapped in aromatic lemongrass, juicy prawns coated in zesty marinade, and smoky tofu infused with savory spices. As the meats char and caramelize over the flames, their irresistible aroma draws in you, promising a culinary adventure like no other. Paired with fresh herbs, crispy vegetables, and tangy dipping sauces, each bite is a celebration of flavors and textures that dance on your palate. Whether enjoyed at bustling street side stall or in the comfort of your own backyard, Vietnamese barbecues are more than just a meal. They're a social gathering, a shared experience that brings people together in celebration of food, family, and friendship. Pho is a fragrant Vietnamese soup featuring delicate rice noodles submerged in a flavorful broth, often with tender slices of beef or chicken garnished with fresh herbs like Thai basil and bean sprouts. Vietnam's black chicken soup, known as Sam Ga, is a unique and nutritious delicacy that combines the rich flavors of black chicken with aromatic Vietnamese herbs and spices. The soup features tender pieces of black chicken simmered in a savory broth infused with ingredients like ginger, lemongrass, and star anise, which blend in a fragrant and comforting aroma, often served with fresh herbs and squeeze of lime for added brightness. Vietnam's black chicken soup is not only delicious but also valued for its purported health benefits, believed to nourish the body and boost vitality. It's a beloved dish in Vietnamese cuisine, cherished for its distinctive flavor and nourishing property. Baskets overflowing with ripe mangoes, succulent lychees, fragrant dragon fruit, and juicy papayas, their sweet aromas wafting through the air. The stalls are adorned with neatly arranged displays showcasing the diversity of Vietnam's fruit offerings. Vendors skillfully slice and peel fruits to order, serving them up in convenient portions or as refreshing fruit salads drizzled with tangy lime juice and sprinkled with chili salt for an extra kick of flavor. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack, on the go, or savored leisurely while talking with the sights and sounds of the bustling streets, street food stalls are a delightfully culinary experience that captures the essence of Vietnam's abundant natural bounty.